try this one, guys. I can't see it on the screen. Looks like it's got short wings on it. It's plain, but it's just funny.